get ready with me to go to a pool party. I have on the Universal Yummy Skin. So yeah, I have the Yummy Skin on my face, and then I went in with the serum on top of that, the skin tint serum. And then now I'm about to go in with the e.l.f. hydrating concealers, because I just noticed that when I want my face to be matte, it doesn't make sense for me to pile up matte products on top of each other. So I lean towards more hydrating products. So I'm about to go in with the e.l.f. hydrating concealer in deep cinnamon and deep chestnut. I don't know if I mentioned this before. I'm basically just following Uche's most recent makeup tutorial with placement and stuff. Of course, I'm fine-tuning to like how I like my face to look and stuff, and the shape of my face and how I like my makeup to come out. But I'm going in with this concealer, and then I'm going to go in with a lighter concealer after. Yeah, this is the lighter concealer that I'm going in with under my eye and every other place that I place the highlight, pretty much. Even though I'm looking at it now and I feel like they're pretty much really close in shade range, but I didn't want to go too bright under eye, especially since I just tanned, so my body and my face and everything is pretty much darker, so I didn't want to go too bright. But now I'm going in with the Putty bronzer, but that's actually not gonna work with this skin tint that I have on. It barely shows up. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go in with the Halo Glow contour wand, and that creates more of a contrast. I really went to go with the Putty because I was like doing research on like waterproof makeup, even though I didn't plan on. Side note, that Motel is really good. Even though I didn't plan on dunking my face in the water, but I saw that like cream products are better. But I guess this would still work, but I was trying to go in with like cream based products just to help with longevity. But my makeup did last a long time. I was in the water. I wasn't dunking my face in the water, but I feel like it was due to like the powders and stuff, and because like I was using like minimal product and I set it a lot. But yeah, I'm going in and I'm just blending out the contour now, because this is a cooler undertone, so it's a contour, not really a bronzer. I'm just blending that out. And can we just look at the complexion, like the Danessa Myricks skin tint? The skin is skinny. It really is. I feel like I was watching Uche's tutorial yet again, but I was saying in here, I feel like I don't blend as much as I should, like when it comes to blending. My makeup still comes out nice, but like it just helps like set the struggle of trying to film when you're doing something. I'm like, I got like 20 minutes. 20 minutes. add something local. This, what is it? Glow Play Blush. I don't think I realized like how soft this was. But I like to add that for like a subtle glow. I'm like tempted to add the what's it called? The bronzer thing from what are they called? The bronzer drops from What if I do it and I hate it? Let's just see. I put on my body and not today, but I put on my body before and I loved it. I was debating if I wanted to do that today. See, it's kind of like I don't know. Ooh, did I just mess up my makeup? It's giving 2016 bronzer. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm gonna go finish up and then I'll come back.